Naming things is hard. Class names, function names, variable names, node names, children names, databases, repositories, project names, all of that is difficult. Now it's easy to just name something, but it's difficult to name them well. And that is why my tips to you today is don't be afraid to rename. And I cannot emphasize this enough. You're never going to finalize a name, ever. You may have a name that lasts years, decades. But guess what? Does that mean you should never change a name? No. If you, as a developer, while working on a project, assuming you know what you're doing, you should be motivated to rename when you can think of a better name. It's usually more specific names that explain very well what that thing, be it function or class, are doing. Then you should be encouraged to rename things. And make sure to talk that over with the rest of your team, because if you suddenly start renaming things just because you watched this video and it's blaming me because I haven't told you to rename things, then don't do that. Talk to your teammates. Make sure to elaborate that, or rather ask them at least, hey, it's okay to rename this because I would suggest this and this name, because that will explain what is things doing better. That's my tip. That's all.